Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ronald and I'm going to show you, we're going to do something today. I'm going to show you how to use a BT hands-free car charger. It's a transmitter. I'm going to show you how to use it, how you can use it in your car. If you have a car and you don't have Bluetooth, you can use one of these. You can buy one of these if you have a car which doesn't have a Bluetooth. But I'll show you how to connect it without frequency. So I've got one here. Yeah, I've got one here. I hope the video is clear. So basically what you do, you turn on your car. You have to leave the channel. You have to put it on radio FM. It has to be on radio. So you get your transmitter, put it in a car charger port, which is that one.
Normal voltage, Bluetooth mode.
Yeah. So well, mine is already connected, but what you have to do, you have to get the frequency which is on your car with the radio channel, and then it has to be the exact one on the port, on the charger. So what you do, you press next. It has to be the same basically. So after that, you have it will have the Bluetooth. You see the Bluetooth automatically. You check, you're going to Bluetooth in your phone, find it, prepare it. So let's see. Yeah, prepare.
Bluetooth connected successfully.
You hear that? And let's try the music. Let's try the music. Yeah, so we look for music. Increase the volume. Yeah, it's connected. You see? That's how you connect. If your car doesn't have a Bluetooth, you can buy one
mode.
and then connect it.
Bluetooth connected successfully.
The moment you've connected it, we've prepared it to a phone and the charger. When you turn on the car, it will connect automatically. And if you're going to call someone, it's very clear. Yeah. So it's working. Yeah. So if there is a frequency, you have to keep changing. For example, I'm gonna change the radio. You see? So now I've changed. So this is 069. This is 065. So obviously it's gonna have that frequency. It won't play any music. Let's try to play. You see? The music is playing until when this number is the exact number on the charger. Yeah? You see? So that automatically puts it in Bluetooth. Yeah? I hope this video helps. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, I'll be posting more videos because there are things we find really difficult. So I'll be sharing more. Like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you want to do next, you just press on this one. It will automatically. And it's very clear. If there is any frequency, try to look for another signal. Try to change the number here. Find the radio which is very clear, and then you set it exactly with the charger. Prepare it exactly with the charger. To look for FMs, you press next until when it matches. Yeah, I hope that helps. Like, share, subscribe. It can work in any car. Thank you. You can leave your comment in my inbox. I'll be able to answer all your questions. Thank you. Yeah, that's the one I'm using. Again, there's lots of things. You can charge your phone. Two of them, there are 2 ports, so it's good.